Nothing says happy birthday America like a daggum grill full of meat. That's right. Is that right? Happy birthday America.
It's July 2nd.
Yeah. Close enough. So I got most of these labeled inside the car. So now we'll spend some time getting it off the dash, and then we'll have the majority of the wiring harnesses disconnected from the car. We definitely want to keep all the black boxes together and plugged in. Like they even got this passenger restraint control module out of the car and then disconnected it back. All right, that's the dash harness off. Put up a little bit of a fight, not too bad, but it's a lot of weight. Got this off, so now I gotta finish getting the rear harness off, so I gotta get in the trunk, get the fuel inertia switch off, and then we'll be pretty close to having the wiring harness completely removed. And I think I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and get it shipped off because it does take a while to do the wire diet. Okay, a little tour of this mess we got back here. So the inertia cutoff switch is right here. So if this button's up, it's for rollover. So if the car rolls over, this comes up, shuts the engine off. So what we'll do is take this off and save it. And then obviously disconnect the rest of the stuff for the wiring harness. And there's an amplifier here for this one had the upgraded sound system. But we'll leave that for the junk, guys. Let's get this off. The inertia switch size right here is a 7/32. Took me like 10 trips between here and the toolbox to figure that out. 7/32. Okay, the last two aggravating things back here. This is for the fuel tank sending unit. You gotta get out of the car and unplug it. And then over here, this one goes into down to the evaporation canister. So you gotta go unplug it. Pull it out like so, and same thing over here. Pull it out, and that would be the rear harness. Let's pull it out. We'll have all harnesses out. Alright, that's everything disconnected in the back. Let's see if we can pull it out. That's it for the wiring harness. All right, we got the entire harness out. Here it is all laid out with your front engine harness that connects to your dash, and then your rear harness back here we just got out. So now we'll pack all this up and ship it off, and hopefully it'll come back, and I know it does, a whole lot smaller and a lot simpler to reinstall. It's gonna be amazing to see what it looks like after the fact. All packed up, ready to go. Tape it up, drop it off. It's gonna be heavy. It's gonna be neat to see when it comes back how small the box is though. It's a pretty decent sized box. Hot dogs and hamburger. Even my grill is getting 4th of July. Red, white, and blue, baby. Let's go. Happy birthday, America.